Hello everybody, I am your social science teacher, your favorite teacher Pradeep Palaka. Today I am teaching you student from your e-Pathshala, the NCERT book which you have downloaded and which you have already have and studying from their social science, history or past part 2, the lesson 1. Okay student, today we will study the history lesson 1, that is here you are seeing already, tracing changes through 1,000 years. Okay student, so here you can see tracing changes through 1,000 years means see student, we know history means the story of past. I just want to tell a little bit about the division about history. Okay, the first one is we know prehistory, that is 3 million years to 3000 BC. Okay, and that is also divided into two part, Paleolithic and Neolithic. Neolithic is 10,000 BC to 3000 BC, and Paleolithic is 3 million years to this 10,000 BC. So 3000 to 3 million years to 3000 BC, that is prehistory. Okay student, then the history period, okay, 3000 BC to nowadays. 3000 BC to nowadays. See, I want to tell you that prehistory. Okay student, just wait. Okay, so it is divided prehistory, okay, and history. Here 3 million years, 3 million years to 3000 BC, and this history is 3000 BC to present, means nowadays. Okay student, so prehistory and historical periods. So student, the prehistory is, I told already, divided into two parts, that is Paleolithic and Neolithics. 3 million years to 10,000 BC is Paleolithic. Here you see division, and 10,000 to 3000 BC. First one 3000 to 10,000, then 10,000 to 3000 BC. And here history is period is divided into four parts. One is ancient age, medieval age, modern age, and contemporary age, the present age which is going on. So ancient age is up to 3000 BC to 476 AC. Okay, so that is ancient age. And now I can tell modern age is 1492 to 1789 AD. Okay, so this one is modern age, then before one is ancient age. So the middle one, the 476 AD to 1492 AD, this is medieval age. Okay, and from 1789 AD to now, it is contemporary age. So it is a big thing that you are knowing today. the prehistory period and history period. Now what you are means observing while I am dividing and talking about this ancient age, medieval age, modern age, contemporary age, and that you are observing that something is some changes are happening throughout the years, throughout the 1,000 years. So in this chapter we will trace what are the changes had occurred in these 1,000 years. बुझलो स्टूडेंट जो आमे हिस्टोरी को डिवाइड करी कहली प्री हिस्टोरी आउ हिस्टोरी प्री हिस्टोरी 3 मिलियन वर्ष टू 3000 बीसी पर्यंत आउ हिस्टोरीटा 3000 बीसी टू वर्तमान युग पर्यंत नहीं आ मु हिस्टोरी को प्री हिस्टोरी को डिवाइड कली पालियोलिथिक एंड नियोलिथिक आउ हिस्टोरी को मध्य डिवाइड कली चारटा एंशिएंट एज, मिडिवल एज, मॉडर्न एज एंड कंटेम्पररी एज. तो एथिरे आम स्टूडेंट माने ऑनलाइन व्यूअर्स जतक वर्तमान शुणु अछ बा पढ़ु अछ व्हाट यू आर मीन्स ऑब्जर्विंग कौन देखो अछ माने किछटा माने चेंजेस हो अछि हजार हजार वर्ष भितरे किछटा बदली जाउ अछि ना ना. तो इन दिस लेसन वी विल लर्न दैट we will trace the changes that happened in these 1,000 years. Okay, so first of all I want to show you one map here. See, it is a map. Okay, this is drawn by the geographer Al Idris in 12th century. Wow, see how the Indian subcontinent look here. Okay, then it is map 1. Another map I am going to show you here. Another map. See, this the subcontinent from early 18th century, that is Atlas Naviu of Guillaume de Illes. Okay, so here in early 18th century it is a map, the second map. Okay student, so I want to show you why these two maps have the many changes, many things we can differ. Okay, you also can feel that means the 12th century this map, so it is looking differently. Now see how he observe here. See student, in this map that in 12th century he has drawn this map, and you can see it very clearly that see the India is like this. Okay, here India. Okay, then here is Sri Lanka like a tennis ball. Yes, see it is like tennis ball. And here the Indian subcontinent map you look, means he is viewing from north to south. Okay, but in this map the cartographer means who makes a map, see he is viewing very clearly, very nice that Sri Lanka. See here he means map means from means in proper position. Okay, from proper direction, from this direction, but that map was this direction. Okay, so here means easily we are finding these two map the difference. So in this both map 1 and map 2 One was made in 1154 CE by the Arab geographer Al Idris. The section reproduced here is a detail of Indian subcontinent from his larger map of the world. But in map 2 was made in the 1720s by the French cartographer. The two maps are quite different even though they are of the same area. In all this map, South India is where we would expect to find North India, and Sri Lanka is the island at the top. Okay, बुझिपार स्टूडेंट आमे जो ए फास्ट मैप रे कौन देखुचु साउथ इंडियाटा ऊपर अच्छी आ श्रीलंकाटा गोटे टेनिस बॉल भाई पूरा ऊपर रोचे. ओके देन place names are marked in Arabic. Okay, here you see the name and place are in Arabic, but in this in this so student, in this map you see the South Indian is in bottom and the means in down path, and Sri Lanka is properly here properly drawn here, and you can see. Okay, so and there are some well known names like Kanauj in Uttar Pradesh, spelt in the map as Qanauj. Qanauj. See, Kanauj is made in Uttar Pradesh. Now see the spellings and many differences are there. So because in map 2 it was made nearly 600 years after map 1, so during which time information about the subcontinent had changed considerably. This map seems more familiar to us, and the coastal area in particular are surprisingly detailed. So this map was used by European sailors and merchants on their voyages. Okay, so in these areas, in the interior of the subcontinent on map 2 are they as detailed as those on the coast. Follow the course of river Ganga and see how it's shown. Why do you think there is a difference in the level of detail and accuracy between the coastal and inland areas in this map? Why do you think? Because this was used by the European sailors or merchant on their voyage, so the detail was made. So equally important is the fact that the science of cartography differed in the two periods. When historians read documents, map and texts from the past, they have to be sensitive to the different historical background, the context in which information about the past was produced. तो बुझिल स्टूडेंट आमे जितेबले स्टडी करुचु ए दुईटा पीरियड बा जोटा कि द फर्स्ट मैप रो पीरियड और सेकेंड मैप रो पीरियड द कार्टोग्राफर माने कौन जी कि मैप को बनाती. सो व्हेन हिस्टोरियंस रीड डॉक्यूमेंट्स और मैप और टेक्स्ट माने हिस्टोरियन मीन्स लाइक those who are interested in studying history like you and me, we are historians. Yes, so when we read these documents or maps or texts from the past, we have to be sensitive. हमको sensitive रहना पड़ेगा काहे माने the different historical background, the context बुझिल ना माने context आ फर्स्ट मैप रो context आ डॉक्यूमेंट रो बा टेक्स्ट रो आ सेकेंड मैप रो बा डॉक्यूमेंट बा टेक्स्ट रो कॉन्टेक्स्ट बा इनफॉरमेशन टा माने अलग अलग है थाई हेबो. एथिपाई वी हैव टू बी सेंसिटिव इन द context about the past was produced, then only we can understand. Otherwise we may mislead, आमे भूल मध्य आमे बुझी पारिबा. एक्यूरेसी माने एक्जाक्टली कौन होइछि बा कौन सेटा आमे बुझी पारिबा नाही. तो स्टूडेंट दिस इज व्हाट the example or the introduction we got the differences, the changes, okay, in thousand years. So in this lesson we will study mainly ame a lesson re mainly ame पढ़िवा student. Here are some point. In our next period we will read the new and old terminologies, माने जो नुआ आ पुराना जो वर्ड गुड़ाक जो कंटेक्स्ट गुड़ाक व्यवहार करा जाउची नहीं कि जोटि कि आमे एबे जो छोट डिफरेंसटा आमे देखि पारुथलु कोन सेटा कनाउज उत्तर प्रदेश कनाउज एबे के एन यूजे सेते बेले एटी देखो के के एन यूजे कनाउजटा सेते लेखा हितला क्यू ए एन ए यूजे. Okay student, so uh, so we will learn even the different words, okay, how they use in this lesson in new and old terminologies ame पढ़िबा. Okay, the next point आमे एठी पढ़िबा हिस्टोरियंस एंड देयर सोर्सेस हैला. तांकर सोर्स कोन थिला, हिस्टोरियन मान कोन समान को विषय रे आमे सेकंड पॉइंटा पढ़िबा. ओके, देन वी विल लर्न अबाउट new social and political groups. Okay, in this lesson we will study mainly new social and political groups. Then student we will study region and empire. Okay, region and empire. Then we will study old and new religion. Okay, so be prepared, read this chapter thoroughly, and then only you can understand properly when I will teach in my next period. And then student, you find out if any hard word are there, hard word meanings. Okay, take the help of dictionary, write in ओडिया. ओडिया रे जो डिफिकल्ट वर्ड गुड़ाक अच्छी जमती कि एठी हम देखुचु ना कार्टोग्राफर नहीं कि तार इंग्लिश रे अच्छे पर्सन हु मेक्स मैन. जदि आम स्टूडेंट मान ओडिया रे लिखि दे पारिबे जे कि मानचित्र तैयारी करबा व्यक्ति, तबे माने बहुत सहज होई जो बुझिया पाए. ओके स्टूडेंट, सो read the terms, the words, the vocabularies and the difficult word meaning. You write it and practice it today, and we will meet in our next class in next video. So take care and see you in our next period. Bye.